Hello my dear friends, it's me Khushal Khan. Today we're gonna learn that how to design a simple beam structure in the AxisVM X4 version. So let's start. Just open your AxisVM and click on the new model and select here from Hungarian units and format Hungarian as well, and this the language should be English. Select here front view and the project name, you can type any name what you want and then click OK. So first of all what you have to do, no sorry just click on the go to the geometry and draw a line here, and the line should be like it should be 8 meter, so that would be more nice. Sorry, I want to draw I want to draw it like on the straight line from one corner to the other corner, so that would be really helpful then, because it will be easy for me to. So draw line and then just go to the elements, click these supports, okay. Select both corner of the line and then okay. After clicking OK, what you have to do, you have to we have to now we have to make two hinges, one here and one here, and this should be the roller which has only one axis, that is like x-axis, or you can make it like the perpendicular axis. Actually it's a 3D, so in the 3D the perpendicular axis is the z-axis. So here we will only it will be having one internal reaction or one internal support, that will be the z-axis, and here we can create the pin or the hinge support which has two internal reaction or support, that would be x-axis and the z-axis. Okay, so let's here set the values. Z and y should be 0, and then z should be like 1e plus 10, and then all other should be 0. Okay, then click OK. So now this we you can see here the support reactions. So this should be the hinge, and it is also a hinge, but we want to make it a roller. So just click on it. Okay, when you click on it and make this x-axis also 0, because there is no x-axis or x reaction in the simple support, or oh sorry, in the roller. There is only y-axis, z-axis, the perpendicular axis. So click OK. So now it's we got our perfect roller. Okay, then just click on this freedom degree, this is very important. Okay, then click on the start button, select all, and then click OK, and select here your axis like coordinate system. So we want to draw it in a two coordinate system, that should be the x z plane. The z is our perpendicular plane, and and the x is our just x-axis coordinate system, and then click OK. After clicking OK, just go to your this one. So this is for moving and making a parallel copy of your supports, and click on this and select all, and then click all. Okay, we can separate it by distance 3 meter, separate by distance, and you can do use all other like move, detach, and everything you can do, and select copy elements and none. Okay, then click OK, and select here your base point and then come down. Okay, so here you have created the copy of this. Okay, so like this you can do you make the copies of of the other beam. Now click on this one. Okay, after clicking on this, select here the beam, and here you can select your material, and the material should be uh, as what it should be, it S235. Okay, and then click OK, and then click on this library, cross section library. That's very important. And when you click on it, oh shit, why it's not working? Oh sorry. uh, Select here library, then thin, then I-beam, then IP European beams, then here select IPE 300, and that's okay, and then click OK. So after clicking OK, and just press the OK button, and for this one just click on this beam and create a new cross section. When you want to create a new cross section, so here what you have to do, you have to first 6 oh 1 minute, 6 by 6. Okay, and then place it at the corner of this grid, or this square you can say, and then another, it should be 3 by 9. Okay, we just put the values, and you can see here I cannot place it perfectly at the same corner. So what I have to do, I have just to click on this, and then I have to select this one. Okay, select your, and now what I have to do, I have to move it. Okay, copy and no move, I want to move, so click select move, and then select your which object you want to move, click on the corner of that object, and where you want to move, click there, so it will be done simply. So after that, what you have to do, click on the polygon, select the corners and make it a polygon. Okay, uh, we will make it a polygon, and that's done, I think. Yeah. Okay, and now we have to make a circle as well, so it should be 12 centimeter diameter, and we want to rotate it like this, and just make, okay, that's ready. So this is our section, cross section. Just click OK. Okay, it's done. Name everything and click OK, and come here at the units and cross section and units. Okay, select these two checks. So now you can see here. And what's next thing? The next thing is that we have to make a copy of these two parallel copies. Go here, make parallel copies, select all, and then click OK. 12 meter centimeter, or 12 meters, sorry, separate by distance. Click OK. Select your base point should be here, because if you select from here, so then you have to move a lot. So this should be your base point, not this one. Okay, click on this one, and now you can see here. Okay, click here. Now we have the copies. Okay, now we have to make the concentrated loads on this one, and the uniform load UDL here on these two beams. So simply what we have to do, go to the loads, concentrated load. Okay, click on this. Oh, sorry, I have to select this beam first, and then concentrated loads. Okay, uh, on x-axis, what's the z-axis, because this is, this is our z-axis perpendicular, so we have to put the load on the z-axis. And what should we, it values minus you can choose any value. Okay, I will choose 17.5. Okay, that should be our value, and click OK. And you see here there is the load hour, and simply for this one as well, select the beam, click on the concentrated loads, and minus 17 point, oh, minus 17.5. Okay, that's all. And now we have to put here the um, uniform load. Okay, click your select your beam, click here, and that's our, it has two axes, z axis, like z1 and z2, like x1 and z axis, because it's an the frame is xz plane. So now we have to put here two values. The first z1, the first value for the z axis 1, like it should be minus 3.75, and then click here for the z2 as well. So we have to put same values on two different axes. That's okay, that's fine. And now you can see here, and same goes for the second one. Select your beam, 1 minute, select your beam, go for, oh, distributed load. Okay, select your values, minus 3, oh sorry 3.75. Okay, and same here, then click OK. Now this is all, we are done, and we have designed the simple beams, we have put the concentrated loads and the uniform loads. So now you can just check, like is it correct, like is there any error or something. Just go to the static, go for the static linear static analysis, sorry. So now everything will be, it's completed, and thanks to God there is no error and everything's okay. Just click on OK. You can see here now, yeah, everything is perfect. So you can see everything which is mentioned here, and also you can see here the diagrams, the like I will select here what beam internal forces moment diagram. Okay, so you can see here the moment diagrams, and you can go here for like isosurface 2D and everything you can see from here. So this was all in this video. So I hope you have learned how to design this. So I hope to see you next video, and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos and tutorials. So bye bye, have a nice day.